Hey everyone, Mr. Mercer here. Today we're going to read the story Weather Watch, Rain by Jennifer Fretland VanVoorst. Let's begin. Let it rain! Look up. What do you see? Clouds! How do clouds form? Water vapor rises. It sticks to dust in the air. The vapor builds up. It becomes droplets. The droplets grow heavy. They fall to the ground. Look, it's raining. Small drops fall lightly. A light rain is called a drizzle. Large raindrops fall hard. They make a shower. We need rain. Rain feeds plants. Plants need water to grow. People and animals need water to live too. Rain can be fun. Mari jumps in a puddle. It can be comforting. Listen, the sound helps Ty fall asleep. Good night, Rain. Types of rainy weather. Sleet is partially frozen rain. Downpour is a heavy rain. Sprinkle is a light rain, and mist is water in the form of particles floating in the air or falling as fine rain. And that, my friends, is the end of our story. Thank you so much for listening and reading along with me. I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye, friends.